You're watching Random Rider.
Alright, you fuckers. I'm back. Alrighty. Yeah, so I haven't made a video in a long time, and I'm sorry. I failed you guys. Now, I had some computer issues and then lost video software. All of the shit that could go wrong went wrong. So I am back. My computer's working. Well, it's a brand new computer. And so I got some good stuff I want to show for like my I'm back video. So I was riding with a group of guys a while back. I've been sitting on this footage for a while. And oh man, your front bumper is fucked. So yeah, back to what I was saying. So I've been sitting on this footage for a good while. I was going on a ride with some guys, and dude we were riding with wasn't wearing a helmet while he was riding, which I live in Arkansas, so it's not a law. And I highly recommend you wear your fucking helmet though when you're riding. Like, this shit was brutal. So dude was going around a corner and ended up high-siding and smacked his head, and he got pretty messed up. I mean, I heard he had golf ball size like blood clot in his brain, so it was like emergency surgery, skull fractures, and some other shit. And I'll let you guys know just like right now, the video, you know, viewer discretion is advised and all that shit you see before you see gore. There is blood in this video, and the dude's head does look pretty bad. So I just want to give you guys that little warning ahead of time. And so yeah, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and I'll play that clip right now, and you guys let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm just gonna let the clip play, and yeah, so hit like, hit the subscribe button, and I'll have another video hopefully this week of some other interesting shit that has happened to me recently. So catch you guys later. He went down? Did he go down?
Oh, it's okay.
with me. That's my vehicle back there. Run down there, open the door in the passenger side. There's a lab coat. Bring it to me, please.
By the way, which one?
The SUV.
There.
We need a lawn chair. What's hurting, Jamie? Everything? Yeah, I bet it is hurting.